Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another exciting chemistry video lessons. And without wasting any time, I'm going to be talking about the R and S configuration of molecules, right? This is the Fischer's projection or the Fischer's method. Now, under the Fischer's, it is also called the stick form. So we will not waste time. Now, there are simple rules here. Now, under this Fischer's form here, we only have just a chiral carbon here, right? Just meaning we are trying to determine the R1S configuration for a molecule with just one chiral center. Now, this is the Fischer's form. We have done for that of the perspective form. This is the Fischer's form. Now, under this Fischer's form, take note, the least atom must always be, you see, everything in life has rules that guides it. When you fail to obey the rules, the consequences can be severe. This is common in all aspects of life. It is common in all aspects of life. Rules are obeyed. Now, the rule for these particular areas now is that the least atom must be in the vertical. At any point the least atom is placed in the horizontal, right, what will happen? There will also be an interchange of the configuration. If initially it was arrow, it becomes X. If it was X initially, it becomes arrow. That is the old concept and idea. So we come here, and it is also based on atomic number. The higher atomic number here is chlorine, because chlorine has an atomic number of 17. Now, I'm having ether here, I'm having propyl here. Now look at it. This bond here is directly attached to carbon. So carbon here, no difference. But of course, I'm having a carbon here, I'm also having a carbon here. No difference too. But I'm having a carbon here, right? And they ought to be hydrogen, because normally CH3 is same as saying CH2 and H. So if here is CH2 and here is hydrogen here, so CH2, carbon to hydrogen here. So here takes the higher priority, here takes number 2 position, here take number 3 position, here take number 4 position. So the way it is going here, it is going in the clockwise. So here becomes what now? Arrow. Right? Of course, the least atom here was placed in the vertical. That was why there was nothing like swapping here. So it just T arrow.